Welcome to Study with Joe. Today we are diving into an exciting lesson plan designed to help 5 to 6 years old understand the concept of top and bottom. Let's get started. So it's all about introducing the basics and exploring through hands-on activities. We begin with a circle time discussion, asking questions like where is the top of a tree or what is the bottom of a cup. It's all about sparking curiosity and engagement. Next up, we dive into hands on sorting. Children are given objects to categorize into groups of top and bottom. It's a fantastic opportunity for them to practice reasoning and communication skills. To cap off day one, we unleash our creativity with drawing activities. Each child gets to express themselves by drawing something at the top and something at the bottom of their paper. Imagination knows no bounds. On day two, we reinforce our understanding through spatial activities and real life applications. We kick things off with a fun spatial awareness game like Simon Says. It's all about moving around and understanding directions like above, below, and between. Next, it's time to get hands on again with building towers. Children experiment with placing blocks above and below each other. In our final activity, we bring the concept of top and bottom into real life scenarios. From stacking books to arranging toys, understanding top and bottom proves essential in everyday tasks. As we wrap up our 2 day journey, we encourage children to apply their newfound knowledge in their daily activities. Remember, learning is an adventure that never ends. Thank you for joining us on Study with Joe. Don't forget to subscribe for more educational content. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep reaching for the top.